Hello and welcome to Lesson 12 of Web Design and Development for National 5 Computing Science. Today we're taking a look at how to create an external cascading style sheet. In previous lessons we added styles either directly in line with the element we were styling, or we added it to the head in the style tags. The main issue with this though, well there are two main issues. One is that there's a lot of styles here and I have to scroll past them to get to the content of my web page. So I have both the style and the structure and content all in the same document. But also, probably more importantly, is that if I change something here, let's say my headings are no longer going to be 40 points, they're going to be 35 points, well I have to change it here, and I have to change it on every other single page that includes the H1 style. Now in a two-page website, that's not a huge problem, because it's only two places, but if you imagine what real websites are like, they have thousands of pages, some of them. Like if you think about YouTube, millions of pages. Amazon will have millions of pages. So it's not really practical in that case to change a style on every single page. So this is where the external style sheet comes in. What we're going to do is create a new document, Control N, and this is going to be using the language CSS. Stands for Cascading Style Sheet. And all I'll do initially is I'll copy all of these styles. In fact, I'll cut using Control X. I'll delete the style tag. And I'll paste them into my CSS document. I'll shift these back using Shift and Tab. And there we have it. This is the same styles that the web page had a few minutes ago. But there is a problem now. Well, one, I haven't saved my styles, so let's save it. I'm going to save it in the same folder, and I'm just going to call it style.css. That's a pretty standard file name for a style sheet. Save that, go back to my index.html. I have changed this and haven't saved it. If I save it now, and if I go back to my website and refresh, you'll notice all the styles are gone. Oh no! The reason for that is, well, we removed the styles from here. We moved them into a separate file. But we didn't tell this index.html file to use those new styles. So this is where the link comes in. This is the link tag. Now the link tag will have a rel. This is what's the relation between this page and the document you're linking to. So what's the relationship? It's a style sheet. And it will also have an href. So it's very similar to an a tag where you have, where's my a tag here? Where you've got an href, that's the hypertext reference. And for us, it's going to be the style.css. So that's the file itself. This is another self-closing tag, just like an image. We don't need the closing link tag like this. We just use the slash at the end before the closing angle bracket. And then when I save it, Control S, and go back to my website, F5 to refresh, we have now linked our website to the style sheet, or style sheet to the website, something like that. We haven't done it to the page 2 though, so let's get rid of this. And I'll just copy this, paste it into here, save, done. Go back to my website, refresh, go to my second page, it's all working. But now, if I want to change any styles, let's say I want to change this up to 80, which is ridiculous, but watch. It's worked on the first page and the second page. So I only need to change it in one single place. So there you have it, external style sheets using a .css file and using the link tag to connect that style sheet to each page. Hope you've enjoyed this one. I'll see you in the next one.